I have to completely redo my plans to run the speaker wire up the wall. In this video, I wanted to talk about the importance of a stud finder. Before I get going, please like and subscribe. When it comes to hanging speakers or running wire, anytime you need to find a stud, it's really important to have a good stud finder. And I've had several, and none of them have come close to this thing, Franklin. These things are great. They have multiple sensors, unlike most stud finders. So, the really neat thing about this, so right there, oh, we got some wires. Okay, and then there's the middle of our stud and it goes green. So, right there, that's the middle of your stud. That's important. And that is just nice. Okay. Now, to give you an idea of how responsive this thing is, that's pretty cool, right? But here's the other cool thing is when you're going across and you see the electrical light go off. Okay, now I'm going to turn my light off. It detects live power. So when you turn the light back on, there's our electrical. So that's really handy. I got this because I had a sneaking suspicion I'd have cross braces on my outside walls. And I couldn't reliably detect that with the stud finder I had. But what I did not expect was finding cross bracing on my interior walls. So here I am. This is left channel TV. So I was going to run the wires up the wall. There's a stud there. However, there's a stud there. And there's a stud there. I have to completely redo my plans to run the speaker wire up the wall. So that's why it's important to have a really, really good stud finder. And I'm not sponsored by Franklin. You can go through my Amazon links. Seriously, I don't make probably more than at most sometimes $50 from Amazon. So, and I've had them as an affiliate the longest of anyone. So if you want to follow the link, that's great. I appreciate that. But and these are not crazy expensive. This was $40. They have less expensive ones. They have more expensive ones. But I would highly recommend these because this saved me a lot of headache. I would have hit that supporting cross brace, and I just have to take a completely different approach. Once I get everything done, I'll show you that. But for me, this thing saved me a lot of headache and a lot of frustration and cussing and all kinds of stuff. Even if you're not even into home theater and you're just hanging a picture on a wall, whatever, it's just so much better. And I've never come across a stud finder that is that responsive. No way. That's crazy good. The importance of these cannot be understated. I would have started this project drilling holes in my walls that I just later have to patch up because it didn't work. And that's partially because this is a vaulted ceiling. It goes up and up. I think it's probably 13 feet at the top. Let me know what you use. Hopefully this video helps and I'll be making more content. This whole thing has vexed me. I've had to come up with a completely different plan. And what I've come up with it's actually killing two birds with one stone. So I think it'll be interesting. Thanks so much for watching and please subscribe.